I love breakfast. If you've looked at my videos, you'll see pancakes, waffles, bacon and eggs, biscuits, you name it. And those are great on the weekends when you have the time to put all that stuff together. But what about with the kids going back to school? You still want to make them decent breakfast. What about if you're just not in the mood to get up and make a 2-hour breakfast? Okay, get some croissants from your local store. If you got a local bakery, even better, right? These are butter croissants that I have cut in half for sandwiches. And we're going to make breakfast sandwiches. The only way I'm going to dress these croissants up is with a little cheddar cheese. I'm using a medium cheddar. You use whatever you want. Swiss, a variety, you name it. Whatever floats your boat. No cheese, more cheese, fake cheese, whatever you got. Set these aside while I get my eggs going. I'm going to do about an egg and a half per sandwich. So 1, 2, 3. So that I'm going to do all 6 eggs. I'll have a little left over. How do you do your scrambled eggs? For these sandwiches, I like them to get a little bit creamy. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk. You can add nothing. You can add shredded cheese. You could add herbs. You can add whatever your heart desires. Leave a comment, please. Tell me, what do you put in your scrambled eggs? I'm going to put my croissants in the oven. Mine will probably be in there maybe 5 to 7 minutes. I just kind of want to melt the cheese. The croissants are already nice and toasted. Salt and pepper to taste. Let me grab my croissants. Now these particular sandwiches that I'm making today are going to be ham, egg, and cheese. So I'm going to just grab a few pieces of ham. My pan's off, but I'm going to let the residual heat up my ham. Okay, it's easy as this. Croissant with cheese. Grab a piece of ham, bacon, sausage, turkey bacon, turkey sausage, veggie, tofu bacon, tofu, whatever you want. I'm not judging. I like 2 pieces of ham on mine. Scrambled egg. Croissant sandwich. Nice and easy. Quick and easy. You taste everything all at once. Good stuff. What would you put on yours? How do you make your eggs? If you like my videos, please subscribe. It's free. Comment. Cheers.